You guys ready for this? Pretty cool.
Right now it's recording. Road at the Beaver Dam. Hopefully you can see where I'm at. Checking things out on the side by side. See out behind me, all sorts of cool stuff. We're out doing a little side-by-siding today. A few trails. And here we come, coming back in for a landing. Underneath of it. Too bad. But it'll get a cool shot behind me. There it goes. Banging on you. Come on, go back, Rick. It won't hit you, I promise. I don't even know if you'll be in. Let it land on your hand.
If it dies when it's over.
What are we gonna do if the battery dies? I guess I'm gonna get water. If it dies while it's out over the water, please come back. We're out at the overlook in Bay Mills.